A 39-year-old man who allegedly stabbed his girlfriend to death 2 weeks ago is today expected to apply for bail in the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court. Police say David Masithela went to Kopanong Police Station to request assistance for his girlfriend who had been assaulted. Watching these developments is our reporter Aphumelele Mdlalane, who joins us now live from the court itself. Aphumelele, perhaps let's take a few steps back. What actually happened here?
What we do know, Ayanda, is that 2 weeks ago, this couple was from church when they heard a quarrel which resulted, of course, to stab wounds, fatal stab wounds, of course. And until then, Masithela then rushed to Kopanong Police Station to report the incident, and the police rushed to the scene and got Bongiwe Pulampa in a pool of blood. And we also understand that Masithela was kept under hospital arrest, of course under supervision, but now has since been outside a hospital but is still in custody. This is going to be their second appearance, and we do know that he is applying for bail. Last time when we were here, his legal representative did indicate that they are not ready yet to apply for bail. It remains to be seen also today whether he will apply for bail, given that there's been a lot of public outcry. We saw the organizations such as the gender-based violence organizations, Buang Basadi, led by the Premier of the Free State, Makwin Letsoha Matai. Last week, this court was full to capacity, whereby everyone, they were unifying, saying that the perpetrator should not be granted bail. I must also indicate that this incident happened at a time whereby 3 women were killed within a space of a week. Ayanda, we do know already that tomorrow we have another case appearance where Steve Sejagane is alleged to have used a vehicle, ran over the girlfriend using the vehicle, and is also in custody. It was debated in court, of course, the issue of the application, or rather the permission, whether the media be film these proceedings, and the magistrate, of course, ruled in the favor of the media, though the perpetrators were saying that they are not feeling comfortable. But the magistrate did indicate this has gained traction, as I did mention that also the political parties were joining hands together with the organizations. Church members were here, and the parents, of course, of the victims were here, saying that they want justice to prevail, and saying that there shouldn't be bail when it comes to these perpetrators. We're not expecting, of course, the proceedings to take much time, Ayanda, given that there's still more things that needs to, of course, be verified, like the proof of address and things like that. And we also understand that last time, from what we heard, is that the legal representative still had to consult with the client, which is Masithela, in this regard. And last week, Ayanda, when he appeared in court, he appeared wearing a mask on. As a result, the magistrate did ask that he should take off the mask for, of course, the reasons of identity, and then he put it back. You could see that it's someone who, of course, is so embarrassed, or is regretting the act that he has done, and people were just wondering if really him being under hospital arrest wasn't that an act. But it's something, of course, that also it's debatable. But I must indicate that there's still those people, organizations in court today who are still having those placards, who are staging a protest outside court and saying that no bail should be given to the perpetrators. Ayanda.
What an incredibly heartbreaking story. Aphumelele Mdlalane, thanks very much indeed for now. Watching those developments for us inside the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court is our reporter Aphumelele Mdlalane, and we'll certainly keep a close eye on that story as it unfolds.